Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today, and I'm going to be doing a daily upload today. It is Tuesday, and I'm going to tell you why my portfolio fell by around 2% in after hours, how I'm planning to fix it, what stocks I trade, and everything like that. But before I get into it, I'd really appreciate if you guys could smash that like button below and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. I'd really appreciate if you guys could do that. Thank you guys so much. Alright, so getting into it, my portfolio was down around 2% today. It was about flat until after hours, where UWT actually fell down. And I did some more in-depth analysis like a few minutes ago, and I'm looking for UWT to bounce back up from maybe like $15 flat. It's going to go to 15.00, and then probably in the morning, it's going to open up, maybe it's going to open up a little low, and then it's going to go back up in pre-market probably. That's just my opinion. But tomorrow, I see it either staying right here where it is, and then just a few hours into market, it's probably going to pop back up to maybe like right around here. And I see the stock actually going back up to the resistance, which the previous resistance was around, the previous time it hit up, it was like 16.20. But since the pattern is trending upwards, I see this stock actually hitting maybe like around 16.50. So there's going to be a huge profit margin on this stock, and I can't wait to cash out on it. But we just have to be patient and wait. There's always the good days and the bad days with stocks. But this will be a good opportunity to pick up some more shares. Well, actually, I've got like my whole portfolio invested in it. But I could afford one more share once it tanks down a little bit. I think I have like, how much do I have? I have $15.01. Yeah, so I could probably maybe tomorrow pre-market, I may be able to buy one share. I did buy one share just like around 4 o'clock right now when it dipped down below because I wanted to get a good price, and it wasn't the worst idea because I see it going back up. And UWT is probably the only stock I'm going to be focusing on right now, UWT and DWT, because it has the most simple pattern and it's so easy to capitalize on. You have to be a bit patient. The cycle only takes maybe like a few days up to a week for a stock to go from support to resistance, and I'd really like to capitalize off of it and not take any risky trades like options or anything like that. Though I am learning about options like iron condors that have, those are kind of interesting to me. I just started learning about them, but no, I'm not even close to starting to trade with real money on options. I may do some paper trading, but that's just on the side. So I'm focusing 100% on swing trading. And why I say swing trading is usually the best for 90% of the population in the US at least, or in the first world countries that can actually trade stocks, is when you swing trade, you can have a job, you can have like college or school or anything like that. Swing trading is only on the side. Like, you don't have to be like day traders where they stare at the screen like every single second and see, oh, the price moved up 1 cent, 2 cents, 3 cents, 10 cents. Swing trading is more of a more chillax version of trading, where it has really good returns weekly that you can get, better than long-term investing, but you also don't have to be glued to your screen when you're trading stocks. That's just what I admire about swing trading, and that's what I want to teach you guys, because 90% of the people actually can't really have enough time to day trade while they have work or school. So this is just like the best option, I would say. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. If you guys aren't signed up to Robinhood yet, and you guys are interested in starting to trade stocks on Robinhood, then if you guys would like a free stock, then you guys could use my referral link. I will put the link in the description. You guys can... Oh, alright, I got some referrals from here. I'm going to put my referral link in the description, so that means if you sign up using that Robinhood link, then you get a free stock, as well as I also get a free stock, so it benefits both of us, and why not use it? Just using a link and you get a free stock. It could be worth even like $170, which is, they might give you the stock Apple, so why not use it? It's perfectly fine to use it. It's free. It's not a scam or anything like that. Yeah. And if you guys aren't in the Discord server, I'm sorry I'm doing so many announcements. If you guys aren't in the Discord server, I'll put the link in the description below as well. Around 70 people already, and I really want to thank you all for being so active there. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of the trading week.